Today we're going to address the rear wheel. This should be pretty much a repeat of the last video. I'll start on the chrome with an SOS pad. I'll move on to a wire brush and citrus cleaner if it fights me. I'll then go over it with chrome polish and terry cloths. I'm going to remove the freewheel and spoke guard prior to cleaning. And no, freewheel and cassette are not interchangeable. If the tick, 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 tick is in the sprocket cluster, then you have a freewheel. If the tick, 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 tick is in the hub, then you have a cassette.
Potato, potato.
Actually, you'll need a chain whip to remove a cassette. You won't need one to remove a freewheel. However, you'll need a special freewheel removal tool. Park tool FR-4 in our case. I'll throw the bearings in carb cleaner and let them soak. I'll later pack the clean bearings with marine grease and reinstall. I'll clean the sprockets with a gear brush and citrus cleaner. I'll then spray it with WD-40. I like to leave the old tire on the rim during cleaning because it helps me to control the wheel. I'll put the wheel on a truing stand to see how bad it is. We'll do our best to make it as straight as possible. I replaced the rim strip and tube in a prior video, so I'll just replace the tire in this installment. I used non-ammonia glass cleaner on the bead while mounting. Okay, let's get started.
Oi!
Sorry, dude. This one is Echo in France. Well, once again, the rim's really straight, just a few loose spokes. We tighten those up and we should be good. The one unfortunate thing about this is that there are some bite marks in the rim. It looks like the guy was using a pair of pliers to help get the wrong size tire on the rim. And he has some pretty good nicks in the chrome, unfortunately. I guess determination and ignorance is a bad combination. Speaking of echo in France, I once asked a friend, what does je ne sais quoi mean in French? I don't know. But you speak fluent French. True story. Well, the rear wheel came out pretty good. So, what's next? We start the assembly. Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.